A plan to sell future next-generation fighter jets developed by Japan in collaboration with Britain and Italy to other countries was approved by Japan's cabinet, marking a departure from the country's post-war pacifist principles. The decision, viewed as contentious, is expected to assist in securing Japan's involvement in the joint fighter jet project and aims to bolster the Japanese arms industry while enhancing its role in global security. In this revision, Japan's arms equipment and technology transfer guidelines were endorsed by the cabinet, permitting co-produced lethal weapons to be sold to countries beyond the partnership. Chief Cabinet Secretary Yoshimasa Hayashi stated these changes are deemed necessary considering Japan's security environment, although he emphasized that Japan's pacifist principles remain unchanged. Hayashi explained that adherence to a strict approval process for jet sales will be maintained to ensure a fighter aircraft meets necessary performance standards and to avoid compromising Japan's defense. The decision enabled Japan to export lethal weapons it co-produces to other nations for the first time, reflecting a shift from its long-withstanding restrictions on arms exports under its pacifist constitution. The joint effort, based in Britain, is anticipated to provide Japan with advanced capabilities amid escalating regional tensions, particularly from neighboring China and Russia. Prime Minister Fumio Kishida's government has faced criticism for committing to the fighter jet project without sufficient public explanation or seeking approval for the major policy shift. To address concerns, the government has restricted exports of co-developed lethal weapons to the jet and has pledged that no sales will be made for use in active wars. Furthermore, the revised guideline presently applies exclusively to the jet, with cabinet approval mandated for any potential exports, reported US media outlet. The government has assured that purchasers will be limited to the 15 countries with which Japan has signed defense partnership and equipment transfer agreements. Despite divided public opinion on the plan, the cabinet justified this decision, citing that the arms export ban on finished products would impede efforts to develop the new jet and confine Japan to a supporting role in the project. Prime Minister Kishida sought cabinet approval before signing the GCAP agreement in February, which was delayed due to resistance from the junior coalition partner, the Buddhist-backed Komeito Party. This policy change coincides with Kishida's upcoming state visit to Washington in April, where he is anticipated to underscore Japan's willingness to assume a greater role in military and defense industry partnerships.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.